Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Wednesday, November 26th, the day before the Thanksgiving break. Markets continue to move upward, new all-time highs in the E-mini S&P yesterday at 2073. The low of the session was 2063, so a 10-point range. The finish was unchanged at 2067.5. Dow futures positive, 17,808, up 16. And the NASDAQ, the tech sector, continues to lead the way. High yesterday was 4302. Finish was 4292.5, up 10.5 points. But that 4,300 was a full 600 points off the October 15th lows. The dollar market continuing to move lower, down 24, 87.96. Key reversal that we've seen here this week, intact still. And the euro currency up 37 at 124.73 after attempting to make new lows, but staying 5 points above the recent lows and making a bottom possibly there. The bond market's breaking out, 142.31, up almost a full point, up 31 ticks. So we've seen treasuries trade between 142 and 140, and now a push to the upside, pushing yields lower. The crude oil market down $1.90 at 74.09. The low of the session was 73.71, so unable to stay above that $75 pivot. And the gold market not doing much, up $1, 11.97. The high was 12.02, the low was 11.89, but hanging right around that 1,200 an ounce pivot level that people are keeping an eye on. So after the positive action and new highs once again, where do the markets stand on this Wednesday morning ahead of the break? Well, we're plus 2 at 2,069.5 in the E-mini S&P, up 12 in the Dow, 17,820, and up another 6.5 at 42.99 in the NASDAQ 100. The dollar 7 points firmer, 88.04. The euro currency is also positive, up 2 at 124.64. Right now, we've got treasuries up 2 ticks at 143.01. The yield on the 30 years at 2.96, so back below that 3%. And the yield on the 10-year notes at 2.26, so not even close to that 2.5 pivot that we've been keeping an eye on. Crude oil down another 25 cents at 73.85, and gold unchanged at 11.97. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, guess what? We're positive again in the futures. We're up 2 points in the S&P, 12 points in the Dow, and 6 points in the NASDAQ futures. I will see you early Friday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.